First-based solutions, changing views to get a better perspective. MapCast, imagery on demand. In this video, you will learn how to connect to MapCast, display aerial imagery and elevation contours, analyze your own mapping data in context, and explore year-over-year changes in land use patterns. Lesson 3. Analyze. There are two types of contours available for Ontario. FBS, which is from First-based solutions in 1 meter intervals, and OBM, which is from the Ministry of Natural Resources Ontario base maps in 5 meter and 10 meter intervals. Since the FBS contours are so detailed, they will only draw when you're zoomed in closer than 37,500 by default. In the table of contents, the visibility is checked on but grayed out until I zoom in close enough. Zooming in even closer allows you to interpret topography at the neighborhood level. For instance, following the points in this V-shaped pattern, I can identify the bottom of a valley where there is likely to be a small stream with the V's pointing uphill away from this pond. In addition to analyzing topography, you can take advantage of many of the tools built into your CAD or GIS software. Let's take a really close look at the imagery. Most of our imagery is between 10 and 20 centimeter resolution, meaning each pixel covers 10 by 10 or 20 by 20 centimeters on the ground. Because the imagery is orthorectified, meaning it's been geometrically corrected for the movement of the aircraft, it can be used to accurately measure area of features on the ground and distance and direction between objects seen in the photo, just like a map. At this zoom level, it's easy to see rooftop objects, road markings, and even individual people. Since we're using a UTM projection, we can measure in square meters with ArcMap's measure tools and find the area of this minivan. I've gone to MapCast's sister service, Map Warehouse, to purchase and download some parcel mapping data which I've added to my mapping project. As you can see, the property boundaries line up perfectly with the MapCast imagery. Without the imagery below to show the location of structures and the types of land use, the parcels don't have much meaning on their own. I've also used the imagery as a base layer to create my own highly detailed vector base map by tracing objects on the ground. Details of the busy urban environment are much faster and easier to survey from the imagery than by undertaking a ground level study of the area. You've now completed the Analyze portion of the tutorial. The lesson continues in Part 4, Explore. For more information and to subscribe to MapCast, please visit firstbasesolutions.com.